How to turn off safe chat mode in Roblox. Let's get started. Launch your Roblox. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the top right corner, you'll find this settings icon. Click on it. Then click on the option of settings. Now over here, you're going to find different options. Click on the option of privacy. And in this page, you'll find this section of communication. From here, you can easily turn off safe chat in your Roblox. Make sure you have disabled for this option of account restrictions. Now you can hit towards communication section. You can set this to default. Then you can customize all the settings. Now for the option who can message me, you can set it to everyone or friends of friends or friends. Likewise for the option who can text chat with me in app, you can set it to friends. Then for the option of who can text chat with me, you can set it to everyone. After you customize these settings, you'll be good to go. So this way you can easily turn off safe chat mode in Roblox. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.